Hi, I'm Owen Honey, a local DIY enthusiast from Builders. Well, these bungee cord cubes behind me not only serve a decorative purpose in this kids' room, but are also functional. Let me show you how you can make these at home. The tools and materials required to complete this task are a cube shelf, tensioner or bungee cord, tape measure, pencil, ruler, masking tape, a pair of scissors, a lighter, and a drill with a 10mm wood drill bit. So the first thing we're going to do is take our cube, turn it on its side, and we're going to make 3 markings on the leading edge of this box, but 1.5 centimeters away from the edge. Make sure that you get the center point. This box is about 30 centimeters wide. So all we're going to do is mark it off at 15, and then another 6 centimeters to the left of that center mark, and another 6 centimeters to the right. Those are the holes where the bungee cords will be going through. Remember to mirror those markings on the opposite edge. A useful tip when drilling through wood or chipboard is to use masking tape over the surface on either side. That prevents splinters or your paint from chipping too badly. Now, using your drill and your 10mm wood drill bit, you're going to be drilling 6 holes through your cube shelf. Now that tip that you see right there is very important because you'll be placing that on the marks you've just made. Well, bungee cords come in various lengths and colors. And what we're going to choose for this one is possibly just the yellow cord because it's nice and bright and looks great. Now, you'll notice that it comes with the hooks at the end there, and these are in place. Actually, they're quite firmly in place. There's no ways we're going to get rid of that hook quite easily, but I've got a solution. Just take a scissors, cut right through it, and there you go. The hook is gone, and now we can put this through our cube. But before we do that though, you're going to need to burn this end. As you can see, it gets frayed quite easily. All you do is take your lighter and just burn away that edge so that it won't get any worse. And there you go. That's sorted out that problem. Now just all you're going to do is tie a knot in this rope. Simple as that. And that will secure the one end of the rope for you. Then cut away the other end, thread it through, and then tie another knot at the other end, and your bungee cord is in place. There we go. These cubes look amazing. They're colorful, playful, and will fit nicely into any kid's room. All that's left for me to do now is to actually hang these up. Well, all the products we used in this insert are available at your local Builders or online. If you'd like to see more projects, please get onto our website and click on our blog tab. That website address is www.builders.co.za. Get to Builders, get it done.